Hi friends, in the last part of the last class, there was a power failure, so I couldn't complete. I think that I would like to complete that class now. I hope that you will excuse me for the inconvenience caused you. Okay, I will read from the outline here from the board. Outline of the story: night, 10 p.m. A homemade doctor alone in a room in an old tiled house. Rats come and go. He sits in front of a large mirror. He is daydreaming. I told you what is daydreaming. He should look more handsome, grow a thin mustache, smile always, and get married to a fat lady. That is his daydreaming, or he was thinking. A sound like the falling of a hose filled with water is heard. That is a thud sound. He looks around. A full-blooded cobra has coiled itself around his left arm just above the elbow. The cobra spreads its hood. It darts its tongue. Dart means puts out and takes in very quickly. That is darting means tongue. The distance just 4 inches. Distance between the face of the snake and the hermit doctor. They are face to face. The doctor sits stone-like. He prays to God. He does not even have medicines for first aid. The cobra looks into the mirror, slowly moves towards the mirror. The cobra slips out. The doctor runs for his life to his friend's house. He smears oil, means spreads oil, smears oil all over his body and takes bath. Next day, by 8:30 morning, he returns with his friend. All his possessions except the soiled vest is stolen. This is what I told you. I just read it here because I think that to make it, more sure that you have understood the outline. And from the next class onwards, we will take sentence by sentence and then explain. Till then, bye.